Is that a vlog?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Shabazz Stories Vlogs. Shabazz Stories Vlogs. Did y'all buy those bikes? Hang all the mistletoes. I'm gonna get to know you better. Boom. This Christmas, and as we trim the trees, how much is fun? Damn, I messed up the lyrics. How much fun is gonna be together? Boom. This Christmas. The fireside is blazing bright. Anyways, no, I'm gonna just like put Chris Brown in the background anyways. Get that copyright real quick, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I ain't Chris Breezy, but like, you know, I'm gonna make it breezy, whatever. So yeah, it's Christmas Day. I'm moving around a lot because I'm trying to get the lighting right, but it's always messing up that lens. Damn, man, the damn roof, it's too damn bright, man. So yeah, it's Christmas, guys. And I didn't really do much for Christmas because my family don't really celebrate Christmas like that, but like we got gifts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the camera real quick right by the shoes, over by the mirror, you know what I'm saying? I got the mirror posted up there, so I'm gonna set the camera right here. And you know, we gonna open the gifts that I got from Christmas Day. Right? Setup is weird, I get it. Cool. But look, we got a big old bag, big old goodies and stuff like that. Christmas time, you know what I'm saying? I feel kind of bad because, you know, I ain't buying no like stuff for Christmas, but I'm broke, so you know what I'm saying? You see the pajamas on, you see the security hoodie on, you got the hat on, you know what I'm saying? A little festive or whatever. So we gonna make this quick, you know what I'm saying? Let's look at the gifts. Okay. Alright, so the first gift we got some sweatpants. We got some nice sweatpants from Mama Dukes. Mama got me some sweatpants. Yeah. We got like, I don't even wanna alright, there we go. You know what I'm saying? Focus up. Like, we not really like Mama got us sweatpants, feel me? But like, anyways, thank you for that, Mom. What else she gets? Oh, we got something to match the sweatpants. We got a striped shirt, same brand. Oh, okay. So also we got plaid shirt. Okay, that's cool. Whatever, little plaid shirt or whatever like that. You know, mama over here providing for me, whatever. Cool. We got a lot of clothes, man. We got another pair of sweatpants. Just some sweatpants. And this, we got hella sweatpants at this point. I don't even need any more sweatpants. That's okay. You know what I'm saying? We got sweatpants in here too. That's cool. Oh. Okay. So I see where this is going. We got sweatpants. Some Spalding sweatpants. So that's cool, I guess. Alright. Mad sweatpants. Cool. What else is in the baggie? Okay, we got a little meat package in here. So I'm gonna open that up for y'all right now. Y'all wanna watch me open this up. Okay. Cool. What? We got a shirt. Cool. We got a shirt. Cool. All right. Yeah. Got that going on here. Got a little shirt going on here. Cool. Margaritaville. Cool. That's light, whatever. Bait and tackle. Margaritaville. Cool. We got that. Cool. So we'll put that over there to the side. All right. Get you guys back up here. All right. We gotta get y'all set up. Come on, guys. Y'all gotta work with me here. All right. Here. That's not the setup. That wasn't the setup. So, all right. Let's go. Something like that. Cool, and we got 2 letters. Cool. Christmas Day. So I got one for my grandpa and one for my dad. I'm gonna open up the grandpa one real quick, you know what I'm saying? It's Christmas time, so you know what I'm saying? Christmas time, man. Christmas time. Take my time. I'm gonna take my Christmas time. Oh, so we got a letter from grandpa here. It says, to Khalid, there are so many reasons to be proud of a grandson like you. A man who deserves every kind of happiness at Christmas and always. May the blessings of our God. See, my grandpa's handwriting is a little very fancy. God shall, may God, that's an F. Wait, no. I'm gonna just skip the word. God, your hopes and dreams, and may they all come true and all the best for the New Year's. Grandfather and grandmother, love you always. That's the letter right there. This is the letter right here. All right, as you can see, that's why I was a little struggling right there, but here we go. Got some money from it. 50 bones. It's cute. I like that. Just put that in my pocket right now. And then let's see what my daddy got me. Let's see what dad got. All right, let's see what this is. Okay, cool. All right. There we go. All right. Woo-hoo. So a child is born. Aw, dad. Oh. All right, cool, pops. He said, to Khalid, Christmas blessings. Man, these people, you're a star of wonder, wishing and hoping that 2020 may fill with prosperity. Cool, best wishes from dad. And always. There you go, look. Boom, bow. So yeah. And he gave me 100 bones from Papa's. Blurry. Okay, cool. Focus up for me, baby. I'm gonna take you up. Focus up. There we go. Yeah, so Pops gave me $100 for Christmas time. Cool. Got the letter here. Nice little cute child is born letter right here. So that's cute. You know what I'm saying? I like that. So cool that. And then grandpa's letter here, you know what I'm saying? Cool that. Like that. So that's great. I'm gonna go thank my dad right now for opening up the letter and everything. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we go do that real quick. What's up, Pops? I just opened the letter. I just want to say thank you for the gift.
Okay, you're welcome.
Appreciate that. What you doing over here?
I'm watching a movie.
Oh, okay.
Well, you gotta video.
No, I vlog now. You know I'm a vlogger, so I gotta do all that
well,
vlogging stuff.
Well, go vlog somewhere. You know, the time you want to vlog.
Whenever I want to vlog? That's what you saying to me?
Yeah, I tell you want to be nice.
That's why I want to be nice? Alright, it's okay.
You're welcome for the gift.
I appreciate it. I just opened my gifts right now. I said I appreciate it. I was opening my gifts right now because I've been resting all day.
Really?
Yeah.
To clean up the room?
Yeah. You didn't hear the vacuum?
Yeah, so I don't know why you didn't go in the basement. It would have been easier.
Then I would have had to sweep.
What?
Then I would have had to sweep.
Yeah, it would have been easier sweeping than vacuum.
I guess. Alright. I'm back upstairs. Ah, man. This is what I get for being a Christmas man. I'm done vlogging. Well, I mean, I just had to open the gifts and say everything. Did you want to say something to the people, or you don't? I don't get love here. I never get love. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have a happy Merry Christmas Day, even though I'm not even gonna upload this the day of Christmas, cause like, you know, I live a life, you know. I'm not gonna upload. I'm probably upload this in like 2 days, and then we're gonna get back to our regularly scheduled programming of vlogs. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this vlog first, and then I'm gonna drop the other vlogs from like 2 months ago, cause like, yeah, I've been behind on my vlogging stuff. But you know, it's that time, Christmas Day stuff, the holidays, you know, people be, you know, doing their holiday, doing their holiday thing, so I gotta do my holiday thing too. But Merry Christmas, y'all. It's your boy Shabazz Stories. I did not put that in the intro at all. I am terrible. I'm gonna just go. I took enough of y'all time. Yeah, you guys take care. I love you guys, you know. Make sure you guys like the video. Spam it up. Appreciate that. Hope you guys had a good holiday weekend, week, whatever. Month. I'm gonna be here for a month. So, yeah. Enjoy. I hope you guys had a good... I'm gonna stop talking.
I wanna live on the top with a mill. I wanna be on the block with the kill switch. Find my earn out to fail. She wanna see me with gourds my grills. Gunning it wide so niggas that's real. Find my earn out to pop some pills. Popping try to be rich can kill. Switching my flow up, I do it so well. Money be talking, I do it so honest. I feel like the plague, I'm spreading bubonic. Y'all cannot touch him, y'all really can't catch him. I'm feeling like Ash, or headed like Onyx. Nothing can stop us, the team is so heavy, can beat up your roster. I'm feeling like MG on Monstars, yeah, I feel like a monster.